What's up friends, welcome back to AppIQ, and in this video I'm going to show you how to share a file by link in Google Drive. So go ahead and open up your Google Drive app, and here you want to go ahead and ensure that you switch to the right profile. If you have multiple profiles, you want to switch that. I've just done so. I'm going to open up this test folder here by simply tapping on it, and here is a picture, right? So in order to get the link to share this, click the three dots towards the right hand side, tap on share, and here you have the option now guys to enter the email of the person that you want to share, or simply go ahead and tap on manage access on the option there towards the lower left hand side. And once you tap on that, you have manage access, and here you can go ahead and you can set that access. So if you want to switch the access from restricted, you can tap on that and you can switch this to anyone with the link, and that's going to basically change it for you. And you can choose if you want to give them view or editor. Let's leave it as view for now. Now go back, and on the upper right hand side here under the access manage, simple tap on the link option, and as you can see it says copied, and that's it. You have the link copied, and that's it. So you can go ahead and you can share that link directly from here. Very easy and very simple, guys.